Beat up. To hurt someone badly, by hitting or kicking. Example 1. The bullies decided to beat up the defenseless kid after school, leaving him bruised and shaken. 2. She felt terrible when her car accidentally beat up a stray dog on the dark, deserted road. Talk back. To reply someone rudely. Example 1. The teacher didn't appreciate the student's tendency to talk back whenever she was given instructions. 2. I don't like it when children talk back to their parents. It's important to show respect. Take down. To write something down. Example 1. She used a notebook to take down important points during the lecture. Take down. To remove something from a high position. Example 1. The authorities asked the team to take down the misleading posters from the walls. Bring back. To return something. Example 1. I need to bring back this book to the library before it's overdue. 2. Her journey to her hometown always brings back fond memories of her childhood. Lay off. To fire someone because of lack of work. Example 1. Due to budget cuts, the company had to lay off several employees. 2. He decided to lay off sugar to improve his overall health. Eat out. To eat in a restaurant. Example 1. They love to eat out on weekends, trying new restaurants in the city. 2. After a long day at work, she prefers to eat out rather than cook at home. Fall over. Fall to the ground. Example 1. He tripped on the step and fell over in front of everyone. 2. The toddler tends to fall over often as she's just learning to walk. Fall for. To fall in love with someone. Example 1. She didn't expect to fall for his charming personality so quickly. 2. Don't fall for their tricks, they're trying to deceive you. Fill up. To become full, or to make something become full. Example 1. Please fill up the gas tank before we start our road trip. 2. She asked the waiter to fill up her water glass as it was almost empty. Use up. To finish a supply of something. Example 1. Sarah used up all her savings on that fantastic trip to Europe. 2. Please don't use up all the printer ink, we need some for important documents. Try on. To put on a piece of clothing, to discover if it fits. Example 1. She tried on several dresses before choosing the perfect one for the party. 2. Before buying the shoes, I suggest you try them on to ensure they fit comfortably. Bring up. To take care of a child until he/she becomes an adult. Example 1. During the meeting, he brought up an interesting point about the new project. 2. It's not easy to bring up sensitive topics, but sometimes it's necessary for open communication. Ask in. To invite somebody into your house. Example 1. He decided to ask his friend to join the conversation about the upcoming project. 2. Despite the late hour, the host warmly asked the unexpected guests for a cup of tea.